In this video, I'm going to try to demonstrate how to use git stash and git pop while working with multiple branches. So in this example, I have my git workspace here, and I have two branches. So we can view the branches by doing git branch, and I have a branch named bar, and I have a branch named foo. So let's switch to one of the branches here by git checkout foo. So I'm right now in the foo branch, and let's say I make some changes here. Let's go to this file and see this line 5 is repeated a couple of times. Let's delete this and go back by WQ, and let's do git status to check, okay, I have changed this file, and we can also see what is changed by git diff and the file name. So it will show you, okay, this is what's changed. And so this is my mapping, so we can do git diff, and the same thing will give the output here. So you guys see the point. So right now I'm in branch foo. I have made that change, but I've not committed that change. So if I try to switch to another branch by git checkout bar, it'll give an error. So it says either commit your changes or stash them before you switch branches. So committing is not the best option when you have not fully completed the feature, let's say, or completed the subset of the feature that you want to complete. So we will stash our changes. So stash can be thought of as the temporary place where you're gonna store your changes, and you're gonna come back to your branch and restore those changes. So let's do git stash and see what happens. So if you do git stash and then followed by git status, it will say there's nothing to complete, nothing to commit, and the working tree is clean because we have stored the changes that we had made in a separate place. So we can view the list of stash that's being created by git stash and list. So it says get stash and with the index 0 and I think the branch foo. And now let's try to do git checkout to our branch bar. So git checkout bar. So now we are able to switch to branch bar, and let's say we make some changes here. Let's say we go to this file and let's delete this line, and let's go back and let's say we commit the changes as well. So let's commit this change. So git add and git commit -m test commit. So and now let's check out to foo. So we are able to do this because we committed the change there, we made the change. Now we're back in this branch, and now we want the changes that we had done in the branch foo back. So let's do the status again. So obviously it's clean because our changes are at some other place. So let's do git stash list and copy the stash at 0, and we will use this to get back our change. So we can do one of two commands. We can do git stash pop. This will pop the first pop the change from the stash to the current to this branch, or we can do git stash apply and what we had copied there. Let's do back git stash list and copy it correctly, and then git stash apply, and this is the one. And now if we press enter, it brings back the file we had. Let's see if the changes are correct. So we can do that by git diff, in my case gdiff, and we see we have the same changes that we had done, and now we can resume working as usual. So we see how powerful is git stash when you want to switch from one branch to another without actually committing those changes when you have not completed them. Thanks for watching.